Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Conflict Inspector, I'm going to show you another great plugin that you'll only find in Eclipse. Before we move on to the video, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who you think will enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. I have Eclipse open, and in order to get the plugin, I need to go to Plugins, Manage Plugins, or I can hit the plugin button on my toolbar if I've added it. I'm going to go to Available, and in this instance, we're going to take a look at Conflict Inspector. I'm going to highlight this plugin and choose Download. After downloading the plugin, it'll be listed in your list of plugins. So now I can choose it and click Enable. I'll press OK, and when prompted, I'm going to let Eclipse restart. I'm going to re-choose my user, and I'll re-enter the plugin store, and now Conflict Inspector is listed and enabled. And we see that in the plugin description, it says that if I go to Edit, Extra Conflict Inspector, that's where the command will be listed. And this is going to tell me a bunch of information, including the original steno and the conflict entry, a context snapshot, a list of all matching contexts, and additional non-matching AI data that might be available for review. So what I'm going to do is close the plugin manager, and I'll open a document that has a lot of conflicts in it. And in this document, you see that there are several different kinds of conflicts. This command only works on conflicts that have been selected by the system, not conflicts that I selected. So this one is a conflict that I selected, and if I go to Edit, Extras, Conflict Inspector, it's going to remind me that the cursor needs to be on an AI selected conflict. So I'm going to move down here to one of my AI selected conflicts, and I'll do Edit, Extras, Conflict Inspector once more. And this time, it tells me all of the information that I was promised. And I can resize this window so that I can see it. And I can look at all of the information in here. And so it tells me the steno and the definition. It tells me the context. It tells me the context rule that it used. It tells me the matching contexts and all of the other related contexts. And it will show me why it made the different selections in different contexts. So you can get this report for each of your system selected conflicts if you have a question about why a choice was made. And so I can go to this other conflict and do the same thing, Edit, Extras, Conflict Inspector, and I get the same kind of analysis, but for this specific instance of this specific conflict. And I can repeat the same thing down here on Break. And this time we see that this one is a word cloud conflict. And so it gives me all of the possible related words that it might have chosen from. And this will help me determine why a choice was made in this instance as well. This is a very handy tool if you rely on conflicts and want to understand their thinking process better. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.